right? Well, I wanted to show the kind of euphoria we had in the peak of the bull run, which is like the 2017 bull run when we had the Bitcoin 19,000 top, 2021 bull run when we had the Bitcoin $64,000 top in April, and then $69,000 top in December. The reason I wanted to mention, I want you guys to relive through that. Like we will be going to 2017. This is the search criteria, advanced search criteria I've made, the kind of tweets people were making during these times. 19th of December was top. From 17th December to 15th December, the kind of tweets that were happening. We are going to come to this. But before that, uh, I can remember November of 2021. Bitcoin above 62,000, $64,000, almost crossing the all-time high. What was the kind of scenario in the environment? Uh, Apple CEO Tim Cook came out. Like, remember, Apple is the biggest company in the world. The CEO of the Apple came out and said that he owns some of the Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? This became one of the kind of a news. Obviously, you can understand the biggest company CEO, and it is not that he's faking something. He's being honest about it, and he feels the right time to be proud to be owning that ourselves. The people on the streets are talking about the Bitcoin. The people who do not know about the Bitcoin, about the cryptocurrency, are talking about it. The euphoria is real, right? Some of the biggest names in the crypto industry, for example, Tika Tiwari, all these people started publishing the reports that probably this was the final bear market of the Bitcoin. It is never going to have the bear market. What was the reason for that? Because the miners are not going to sell anymore. Why? Because they will be given the fundings. Now, if miners are not going to be selling the Bitcoin, there is no point of halving in the future. Like the halving would not even matter because the miners are the one who actually sell the Bitcoin. So probably this is the time that even the people sitting on the sidelines get triggered to get into the crypto assets. They do not want to miss out. Sometimes many of the people get into the crypto market exactly at this point of time. And I literally remember like this is few of the scenario. One more scenario. There is this guy Plan B, right? Pretty famous. And he happened to predict the value of the Bitcoin on July, September, October, November, December, January, right? So he predicted uh, the July came out to be really accurate. September, August came out to be accurate. September came out to be accurate, right? October even came out to be almost accurate. What was the next prediction? By December of 2021, the price, his prediction was $135,000. This is one side of the story. The influencers at the same time, there was an argument. Everybody was of the same opinion. $100,000 is going to come. Some people were saying we are going to $200,000. Some people were saying we are just going to touch $100,000 and come back from there. These are the most conservative people who were predicting. Okay, it's not going to be like we are going 200,000, quarter of a million. Some people were saying we are going $500,000 parabolic top. So there was no question in the mind of people with all these scenario that $100,000 is inevitable. Try to relive that, and including me myself, like we all believe we are anyways going to go $100,000. This is what happens, guys, when everybody starts believing the same thing. And I have given you the real scenarios. Why? To understand this is how the belief is. It is not that it is just normal people, like few of the people believing certain thing, but you know the inside story. Everybody knows, everybody starts believing into this, that yes, $100,000 is inevitable. This was the red signal. Like, and probably when the first crash happened, we might have touched $100,000. But even before that, when the first crash happened, it formed a lower high and a lower low. That should have been the exit signal for all of us. And let me tell you, this story even repeats in 2017. Like I just opened 2017 December tweet, right? The kind of tweets, as you can see, like these are the times when people were selling their houses and getting into the Bitcoin. People who were saying Bitcoin was a scam, sitting at the sidelines, never entered before, started entering at this point of time. Bitcoin was about to reach all-time high of $90,000. Nobody knew its all-time high. People were expecting we are going $100,000. Yay, you are wrong. USD is a fiat currency backed by like administration. Bitcoin is backed by the people. Imagine all the hackers working on Bitcoin right now, right? Bitcoin, I like YouTube video, this and that. Like at this point of time, Bitcoin was not even like the mass adoption did not even come. Next year will rock, right? So people started planning for the next year that, okay, that's it. Shucks off and surges past this, right? Bubbles and all that. So only few of the people start calling, hey, be cautious. But majority of the people start believing that this is the time, the technology is here, everything is here, mass adoption is here. So guys, this is what the euphoria looks like. I wanted you guys to relive through it so that the next time when the euphoria hits, we need to be aware of it. We need to understand this. We need to pick it up. And if we really pick it up, literally, we can make a big difference in our financial games. The best time, like if you're watching this video, probably you are going through this bearish times. And I believe and I hope no matter what has happened, you are going to stay through this bearish time until the bull market. And you are going to witness with your own eyes the gains that you deserve to have. But at the same time, utilize all these learnings and skills to ensure that you make the maximum gains and take the profit at the right time. Thanks a lot for tuning into the video. I would like to know your opinion. Please do comment down below. What do you feel about this? What's your opinion? What's your take onto this? Subscribe to our channel if you have not already. I'll see all of you guys in the next podcast.